Hello everyone, my name is Ragini and I'm the senior dietitian at GSB Diet Clinic. The topic which I'm going to cover in this video is basically how your foods help you to boost your immune system. So first of all, before starting on the topic of food, we must be aware of our immune system. So first let's talk what is your immunity and what is your immune system. So basically when we talk about the immunity, it is the property of our body to fight against the different kinds of your bacteria and viruses. When they enter inside our body, our immune system produces different kind of antibodies to fight against these kinds of viral infections, antibiotic infections. So this is the basically a property of our body. This is also called the miraculous property of our body, which helps us to fight against multiple diseases and multiple viruses and bacteria. So when we talk about the immune system, it basically comprises of two immunities. First is the innate immunity. Basically, the innate immunity is also known as the first line of self-defense of your body. Like anything which enters inside your body first has to go through this to infect you. For example, the epithelial cells present inside your body, in your nose, in your lungs, work as the innate immunity. With that, the acidic pH of our stomach also helps us to fight against these kinds of viruses and bacteria. So basically, these are the some of your body's mechanism to protect you from different kinds of microorganisms. The other is your acquired immunity. So basically when we talk about the acquired immunity, it is the immune system which you acquire in your lifetime. Basically, acquired immunity is the group of multiple cells which are present inside your body, which helps you to fight against the multiple diseases. When something or some virus actually enters inside your body by breaching the first line of defense, then our second acquired immunity comes in the play. They basically work by secreting some antibiotics in your body. So that's why when you fall ill from a particular kind of disease in your lifetime, then the second bout of that particular illness actually doesn't happen, because your body has the immune response for that. Like your body has already produced multiple antibiotics, multiple antibodies to fight against with these diseases in future time. So what happens is that when your body is on acquired immunity, then you are much capable of fighting with multiple disease in your lifetime, and you don't actually acquire these issues, or if you acquire these issues, then they are short duration and maybe less harmful than the actual condition. Okay, so there are basically two key rules to improve your immune system and your immune function. Basically, that are your day-to-day nutrition and your workout. So if you take a proper diet on the daily basis, that will help you to boost your immune system. But you must be aware that your diet should consist of all the macro and micronutrients in a balanced amount. It must be of equal nutrients. For example, you must take vitamin A in your diet, you must take vitamin D in your diet, you must take vitamin E, vitamin C in your diet, as they are immune boosting foods. So it will help you to boost your immune system. With that, you should do a proper workout on the daily basis, because when you do proper workout like strength training, resistance training, it improves your testosterone levels. So main function of testosterone in your body is to boost your immune system, to make it active and make you fit for a longer time duration. So let's talk about these nutrients one by one, which will help you to boost your immune system, so that you will be more efficient during your training, during your workout period, and you will be aware that how your body will react if it encaptures with any kind of foreign material. The first nutrient which you need to add in your diet is basically button mushrooms. So when we talk about button mushrooms, they are rich in riboflavin, niacin and selenium. So So if your diet is low in selenium, then you must be on the edge of getting ill for a longer duration. You will catch the flu easily. So if you add these button mushrooms in your diet, they will help you to boost your selenium levels. With that, riboflavin and niacin are a good source to boost your immune power. Next food that you must add in your diet is acai berries. Basically, acai berries are darkest in color and they are the richest source of anthocyanins, which helps you to boost your immune system by providing the highest quality antioxidants which are present in the nature. So basically, if you add antioxidants in your diet, they will help you to boost your immunity and they will help you to fight against multiple kind of infectious diseases and viral infections. And then you should always add oysters in your diet. Basically, oysters are the richest source of zinc. If I talk about zinc, zinc is a mineral which helps you to build up your white blood cells. White blood cells are also known as the immune boosting cells or the immunity cells which fights against the diseases in our body. So if you take oysters in your diet, what will they do is they will help you to make your WBCs in a rapid rate. They will produce white blood cells on a rapid rate, which will help you to boost your immune system and to fight off against multiple kinds of viral infections in your body. Then we have a fruit called watermelon. So watermelon is again rich in glutathione. Basically, glutathione is also helpful for boosting your immunity. If you eat that watermelon, the red part of watermelon, that will help you to boost your glutathione levels, which will help you to fight against the infectious diseases which are caused by multiple kinds of bacteria. Then we have wheat germ. Basically, wheat germ is the part of wheat plant which helps to feed the baby wheat plants. So basically, when you eat wheat germ in your diet, that will improve your antioxidants level, that will improve your vitamin B levels. With that, it also consists of zinc in the wheat germs. So if you add wheat germ in your diet, that will automatically boost your immune system. After wheat germ, you must add the free yogurt in your diet. You can add curd or you can add low fat yogurt in your diet. Basically, they are rich in the probiotics. Again, probiotics helps you to boost your immune system. With that, they are also fortified with vitamin D. So vitamin D is also an essential nutrient when we talk about the immunity power of your body. So if you add vitamin D in your diet, it will boost your immune system and it will help you to again fight with multiple diseases which are caused by viral and bacterial agents. So next food which you can add in your diet if you're suffering from weak immune system is spinach. Basically, spinach is also known as a superfood as it consists of folic acid or folate, which is really necessary for the DNA resynthesis. So if any of your cells get damaged, then we need these folic acid or folate to resynthesize the DNA of that particular cells. With that, this spinach is also rich in vitamin C. So vitamin C has the antioxidant properties which helps us to strengthen our immune system. So if you are suffering from the low immunity, then you can also add the spinach in your diet. Always remember that you should take spinach either raw or lightly cooked. Don't overcook it as it will destroy its nutrients. With that, you can also add tea in your diet. You can take either green tea, black tea, or any of the tea which is available in your area, because tea is rich in flavonoids and polyphenols. Again, they are the most richest antioxidants which helps you to damage your free radicals. Basically, we have multiple free radicals in our body which causes our immune system to get weakened. So if you add these teas in your diet, they will help you to fight off with these particular kinds of free radicals. So with that, we have other multiple foods which you can add in your diet to boost your immune system. For example, you can add garlics, you can add clove, ginger, turmeric. With that, other spices which are available in your area, you can add them. Basically, spices helps you to boost your immune power. With that, add the food which are rich in beta carotene. For example, you can add all the green leafy vegetables in your diet. You can add colorful fruits and vegetables. For example, black bell pepper you can add. With that, you can add tomatoes, and vitamin C rich food you must take in your diet. For example, beta carotene rich food you can take in your diet, and you must take zinc rich foods in your diet. With that, add vitamin D sources in your diet. For example, you can take fortified cereals which are fortified with vitamin D, and you can also be in sunlight for the proper absorption of vitamin D which is present inside your body. With that, you must take probiotics in your diet, because probiotics again helps you to boost up your immune system and your immune power. Now coming to the athletes, if you are an athlete and you have a problem of weakened immune system, then you must take some dietary health supplements. For example, you can add glutamine in your diet. So glutamine is one of the most powerful supplement if you have a lower immune system. So it is approved by FDA that if a particular athlete is suffering from low immunity, then they must add glutamine in their diet to boost up their immune system. With that, don't take any kind of anabolic steroids, because they lowers your immune power. If you take any kind of anabolic steroids, artificial testosterone, they will decrease your immune power. If you are working out, if you are doing proper resistance training, then in that case the testosterone which is produced by your body will help you to boost your immune system. But if you are injecting it in artificial way, then it will decrease your testosterone levels. So as we all are aware that nowadays coronavirus is on peak, and it is only caused because of the low immunity in our body. So the only way to build up your immunity is to eat a diet which is rich in all kind of macro and micronutrient, because a recent study showed that if you are taking a diet which is very low in carbohydrates, then also your immune system will deprive. Because if you are taking a diet which is very low in carbohydrate and you are doing workouts, for example you are doing running or anything you are doing, in that your body will be in catabolic state. Your body will be taking energy from these cells, and your body will not be able to grow properly. Your body will not be able to nourish itself properly. So always take a proper, adequate and a balanced diet. If you're an athlete, you should take proper carbohydrates, proper fats, proper vitamins, proper minerals, and water is also necessary, as if you're not taking water, your body will be dehydrated, and again it will weaken your immune system. So always take these kinds of foods in your diet to boost up your immune system, and it will help you. So at last, I am telling you some lifestyle modification tips which will basically helps you to boost up your immune system. First of all, avoid smoking and don't take alcohol in your diet. If you are taking these two things, then it will weaken your immune system. With that, doing proper workout will help you to boost your immune system. I have earlier mentioned the purpose of workout, that it will boost your immune system by increasing your testosterone levels. With that, reduce the daily stress. If you are taking stress also decreases your immune system by killing your white blood cells. So please stop taking stress if you want to boost up your immune system. Perform the regular hygiene practice. Wash your hands frequently. With that, while if you are sneezing, just cover your mouth with your hands and wash your hands after sneezing. With that, multiple things are there which you can do to boost up your immune system, but always focus that you should avoid smoking, alcohol consumption, a bad diet which is like high in carbohydrates and high in fats or high in trans fat, as they will decrease your immune system. So always take a diet which is a balanced diet, which is rich in micro and macronutrients, so it will help you to boost your immune system.